Akiaraniria na andiki a mohoro thutha wa kuruguria kuirigwo kwa mutitu uria uri kirima-ini kia Menengai guku Naikuru. Murugamiriri munene wa mutitu uyu Alex Lemakok ni ugite mekite o niguo kurigiriria githaka kiu kumana na guthukangio makiria ma uria kiunuhitwo ni muingi o hamwe na kurigiriria ciiko cia waganu iria itafanagio kuo.
Watu wanapeleka wale watu wanaenda kupiga watu kule ndani, wizi unafanyika kule, ng'ombe wakiibiwa kwa sehemu ya Rongai County wanaingizwa kwenye hiyo msitu na wanapotea kwa sababu kreta ni ngumu kuingia. Sasa hayo ni maneno ambayo ataisha. We are going to increase safety. Kutakuwa na usalama wa kutosha na hivi kwamba kila mmoja ambaye anaingia huko atajisikia ako salama akiwa kule ndani. Na
kuona mutitu uyu ni kihumo kia njui imwe, Lemakok ni ugite urairigwo niguo guthaitira kihumo kia njui icio o hamwe na mihango iria twarithagio na mbere kirima-ini giki ta uthondeki wa thitima kumana na ndiho gatagati ka mangi maingi.
Because it's a catchment area, we also have a very good source of water and waterways, and there also being a caldera is a very important resource for geothermal development. As a matter of fact, we are hosting the GDC here, and we are already getting energy from this particular forest. It also provides a very good opportunity for recreational services for the urban population that is oftenly affected by too much concrete buildings.
Mihango yothe ya kuirigwo kwa mutitu uyu itanyitwo kuhuthira kimanjika gia ciringi milioni 100 na aria mari mugunda-ini wa mutitu uyu ni moritio guthenga niguo kuhotithia mihango ya kuirigwo gutafanio gutari mahika o wothe guku andu makiurio kuhanda miti makiria kimera giki kia mbura.
About 100 million for the fence, that is one, and this being funded by AFDP. Is a loan to Kenya government. You know, beacons and GPSs don't lie. So where we find a GPS that locates a beacon, that is a beacon, and we do not argue about beacons. So if somebody has encroached, we will request that person to give way so that we can have our fence going on very well. So we don't expect any conflict because even the person who has encroached knows that they have encroached.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, Getwo King'ori wa Gatundu.
Anake mwandiki mukaru kamiti-ini